Matching headings questions require test takers to match a set of headings or titles to different sections or paragraphs within a passage. The aim is to assess the ability to identify the main ideas and the organization of the text. Follow these guidelines to approach these questions effectively. Skim and scan. Skim the passage to get a general idea of the content, and scan specific sections to identify the main ideas. Focus on the first and last sentences. The first and last sentences of each paragraph often contain key information that can help you match the headings accurately. Elimination strategy. Use the elimination strategy by ruling out headings that are clearly unrelated to the content of the paragraph. Sample passage. Title: The Impact of Climate Change on Biodiversity. Paragraph 1. Climate change poses significant threats to the planet's biodiversity. Rising temperatures, altered rainfall patterns, and changing habitats have severe implications for various species. It is crucial to understand the consequences of climate change and implement strategies to mitigate its effects on biodiversity. Paragraph 2. One of the most apparent impacts of climate change on biodiversity is the loss of habitat. As temperatures rise, some ecosystems become uninhabitable for certain species, forcing them to migrate or face extinction. Coral reefs, for example, are highly sensitive to temperature changes, leading to bleaching events and the loss of diverse marine life. Paragraph 3. Shifts in rainfall patterns also affect biodiversity. In regions experiencing increased drought, plant species that rely on consistent water availability struggle to survive. This disrupts the delicate balance of ecosystems, affecting the entire food chain. Additionally, excessive rainfall and flooding can result in habitat destruction and the displacement of species. Paragraph 4. Climate change poses challenges for migratory species as well. Alterations in temperature and weather patterns can disrupt migration routes, impacting breeding and feeding grounds. This can have cascading effects on entire ecosystems and the species that depend on them. Paragraph 5. Conservation efforts play a crucial role in mitigating the impacts of climate change on biodiversity. Protecting and restoring habitats, implementing sustainable practices, and raising awareness about the importance of biodiversity are vital steps in preserving our planet's natural heritage. Sample questions. Question 1. Match the following headings with the appropriate paragraphs in the passage. Headings: A habitat loss due to climate change. The impact on migratory species. See climate change and rainfall patterns. D. Conservation measures for biodiversity. Question 2. Using the elimination strategy. Determine which heading is clearly unrelated to the content of paragraph 4. Question 3. Skim and scan the passage to identify the main ideas of each paragraph and match them with the appropriate headings. Question 4. True, false, not given. Coral reefs are resistant to temperature changes caused by climate change. Question 5. In which paragraph does the passage mention the impact of climate change on the entire food chain? Answer and explanation. Question 1. A habitat loss due to climate change. Paragraph 2. The impact on migratory species. Paragraph 4. See climate change and rainfall patterns. Paragraph 3. Conservation measures for biodiversity. Paragraph 5. Explanation. By carefully reading each paragraph, we can identify the main idea or theme and match it with the corresponding heading. Question 2. The heading clearly unrelated to the content of paragraph 4 is the impact on migratory species. Explanation. By using the elimination strategy, we can determine that paragraph 4 discusses the impact of climate change on migratory species, making the heading unrelated to its content. Question 3. By skimming and scanning the passage, we can match the main ideas of each paragraph with the appropriate headings as follows. Paragraph 1d. Conservation measures for biodiversity. Paragraph 2a. Habitat loss due to climate change. Paragraph 3c. Climate change and rainfall patterns. Paragraph 4b. Impact on migratory species. Paragraph 5d. Conservation measures for biodiversity. Question 4. The answer is false. The passage states that rising temperatures can lead to bleaching events and the loss of diverse marine life in coral reefs, indicating that coral reefs are indeed sensitive to temperature changes caused by climate change. Question 5. Paragraph 3. Here is an explanation. Paragraph 3 mentions that shifts in rainfall patterns affect biodiversity by disrupting the delicate balance of ecosystems, which in turn impacts the entire food chain. Matching information questions. Matching information questions require candidates to match specific information, such as statements or descriptions, to different sections or paragraphs within a passage. These questions evaluate the ability to locate and comprehend detailed information. To approach these questions effectively, consider the following steps. Skim and scan. Skim the passage to understand the general content, and scan for specific keywords or phrases mentioned in the question. Focus on synonyms and antonyms. Look for synonyms or antonyms of the keywords in the passage that match the information given in the question. Read in detail. Read the relevant section or paragraph in detail to locate the precise information needed to match the question. The benefits of meditation. Meditation is a practice that has gained significant popularity in recent years. It involves training the mind to achieve a state of deep relaxation and heightened awareness. Numerous studies have shown that regular meditation offers a wide range of physical and mental benefits. By understanding the advantages of this ancient practice, individuals can make an informed decision to incorporate meditation into their daily routine. Paragraph 1. Meditation has been found to reduce stress levels and promote overall well-being. When practicing meditation, individuals focus their attention and eliminate the stream of thoughts that often lead to stress and anxiety. This allows the body and mind to relax, leading to a sense of calmness and tranquility. Paragraph 2. Moreover, meditation has been shown to improve cognitive function. Regular practice enhances concentration, attention span, and memory. It also stimulates creativity and problem-solving abilities. These cognitive benefits can be particularly advantageous for students and professionals who require mental sharpness and clarity in their daily lives. Paragraph 3. In addition to its mental benefits, meditation also has a positive impact on physical health. Studies have indicated that regular meditation can lower blood pressure, strengthen the immune system, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Furthermore, it can alleviate chronic pain and improve sleep quality, leading to overall better physical well-being. Paragraph 4. It is important to note that meditation is a versatile practice with various techniques and approaches. Some popular forms of meditation include mindfulness meditation, transcendental meditation, and loving-kindness meditation. Each technique focuses on different aspects, such as breath awareness, mantra repetition, or cultivating positive emotions. It is recommended to explore different approaches and find the one that resonates most with individual preferences and goals. Sample questions. Question 1. Choose the correct heading for each paragraph from the list below. Headings. A. The different techniques of meditation. B. The physical benefits of meditation. C. The cognitive benefits of meditation. D. The introduction to meditation. Answers. Paragraph 1. B. The physical benefits of meditation. Paragraph 2. C. The cognitive benefits of meditation. Paragraph 3. B. The physical benefits of meditation. Paragraph 4. A. The different techniques of meditation. To answer this question, the test taker needs to skim and scan the passage for the main ideas of each paragraph. In paragraph 1, the focus is on reducing stress and promoting overall well-being, which corresponds to the physical benefits. In paragraph 2, the emphasis is on improving cognitive function, indicating the cognitive benefits. Paragraph 3 mentions the physical health benefits of meditation. Lastly, paragraph 4 discusses the different techniques of meditation. Question 2. Which of the following is the synonym of relaxation as used in paragraph 1? A. Tension. B. Anxiety. C. Calmness. D. Restlessness. The answer is C. Calmness. Explanation. To answer this question, the test taker should focus on step B of the approach provided. By looking for synonyms or antonyms, they can identify that relaxation has the same meaning as calmness in the context of the passage. Question 3. According to the passage, what are the physical benefits of regular meditation? Answer. Regular meditation can lower blood pressure, strengthen the immune system, reduce the risk of heart disease, alleviate chronic pain, and improve sleep quality. Explanation. To answer this question, the test taker should refer to the information in paragraph 3 by reading the relevant section in detail. They can locate the precise information needed to answer the question accurately. By following these steps and strategies, test takers can effectively approach and answer matching information questions based on the provided passage. It is important to practice reading comprehension and familiarize oneself with various question types to enhance performance on the IELTS reading exam. 6. Matching sentence endings questions. Matching sentence endings questions evaluate the understanding of the logical structure and organization of a passage. In these questions, candidates are provided with sentence endings and must match them to the appropriate beginning sentences. To tackle these questions effectively, consider the following strategies. A. Read for context. Read the beginning sentences carefully to understand the context and the logical flow of ideas. B. Identify linking words. Pay attention to linking words, such as conjunctions, that connect the beginning sentences to the sentence endings. C. Consider the tone and meaning. Analyze the tone and meaning of the sentence endings to determine which one best fits the context and the main idea of the passage. Sample passage.
The Industrial Revolution was a significant turning point in human history. It marked a shift from agrarian economies to industrialized societies, bringing about profound changes in technology, production, and social structure. The impact of the Industrial Revolution was felt across various sectors, including agriculture, manufacturing, and transportation. With the advent of steam power and mechanization, production processes were revolutionized, leading to increased productivity and economic growth. However, the Industrial Revolution also brought forth numerous challenges, such as labor exploitation, urbanization problems, and environmental degradation.
Instructions. Match the sentence endings with the appropriate beginning sentences. Note that there may be more sentence endings than beginning sentences. Sentence endings. It paved the way for modern urbanization and mass migration. B. The Industrial Revolution had far-reaching consequences on the environment. C. The Industrial Revolution revolutionized the production processes. D. The Industrial Revolution created new employment opportunities. E. Labor exploitation was one of the negative consequences of the Industrial Revolution. F. Steam power and mechanization played a crucial role in the Industrial Revolution. G. The Industrial Revolution led to a shift from agrarian economies to industrialized societies. Questions. 1. Which sentence ending best completes the idea expressed in sentence 3? 2. Which sentence beginning is most likely to be matched with sentence ending B? 3. Which sentence beginning can be matched with sentence ending E? 4. Which sentence ending can be matched with sentence 2? 5. Which sentence beginning can be matched with sentence ending A? 6. Which sentence ending is not matched with any sentence beginning? Answer key. 1. Sentence ending G. 2. Sentence beginning B. 3. Sentence beginning A. 4. Sentence ending F. 5. Sentence beginning A. 6. Sentence ending D. 1. To answer this question, read sentence 3 and identify the main idea. The impact of the Industrial Revolution was felt across various sectors, including agriculture, manufacturing, and transportation. Sentence ending G. The Industrial Revolution led to a shift from agrarian economies to industrialized societies. Best completes this idea as it summarizes the impact mentioned in the beginning sentence. 2. To answer this question, identify the topic mentioned in sentence ending B. The Industrial Revolution had far-reaching consequences on the environment. Sentence beginning B. The Industrial Revolution also brought forth numerous challenges, such as labor exploitation, urbanization problems, and environmental degradation. Matches with this idea as it discusses the negative consequences of the Industrial Revolution. 3. To answer this question, consider the topic of sentence ending E. Labor exploitation was one of the negative consequences of the Industrial Revolution. Sentence beginning E. However, the Industrial Revolution also brought forth numerous challenges, such as labor exploitation, urbanization problems, and environmental degradation. Matches with this idea as it introduces the negative consequences mentioned in the sentence ending. 4. To answer this question, analyze sentence 2. It marked a shift from agrarian economies to industrialized societies, bringing about profound changes in technology, production, and social structure. Sentence ending F. Steam power and mechanization played a crucial role in the Industrial Revolution. can be matched with this sentence as it emphasizes the role of steam power and mechanization in bringing about the mentioned changes. 5. To answer this question, focus on sentence ending A. It paved the way for modern urbanization and mass migration. Sentence beginning A. The Industrial Revolution was a significant turning point in human history. Matches with this idea as it introduces the transformative impact of the Industrial Revolution, including urbanization and migration. 6. To answer this question, analyze all the sentence endings and sentence beginnings. Sentence ending D. The Industrial Revolution created new employment opportunities. Is not matched with any sentence beginning, indicating that it is the unmatched sentence ending. To answer matching sentence endings questions effectively, it is important to read for context, identify linking words, and consider the tone and meaning of the sentence endings. This approach helps test takers understand the logical structure and organization of the passage, allowing them to make accurate matches between the sentence beginnings and endings. In conclusion, familiarizing oneself with different question types in the IELTS reading exam is essential for achieving a high score. By understanding the specific requirements of each question type and employing effective strategies, test takers can enhance their reading skills and improve their performance on the exam. Remember to practice extensively and develop a systematic approach to tackling each question type. With adequate preparation and practice, success in the IELTS reading exam is within reach.